Now I can see my eyes.
Hi, New Hyde Park, Garden City Park families. This is Mrs. Laurino with
Julia, Aiden,
and Kira.
Kira.
And we baked some cupcakes this afternoon, so we thought it would be fun if you guys could watch us do a little decorating. Hope everybody is staying home and staying safe. Maybe you're baking, maybe you're cooking. So we're going to mix them some colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what colors did you choose, Julia?
Blue for the first cupcake, and then after the two cupcakes, I'm gonna do purple.
Okay. How are you going to make the purple?
With blue and red.
Okay. So here's your first little bit. Okay, go ahead, mix that up.
Can I do it by myself?
I'll do this, and then you can mix it up. You ready?
No.
All right, go ahead. Just watch it. You want just a little dot, one squeeze. Okay, one more squeeze maybe. Okay, that's good. All right, go ahead, stir it up. And Kira over here looks like you've already made it into the frosting. Here, look, Kira, look. Use your spoon.
Whoa, mine looks like green.
Go ahead, you do it.
Mine looks
Put it on.
Yours is pretty.
Go ahead, pick up
Mine
one.
is pretty, right?
Ooh, very nice. Looking good,
Look
guys.
at-
Looking good.
Mine is blue.
Show the camera. Very nice. Maybe
It's
just
like a
mix
cotton
it a
candy
little
blue.
bit more. Okay, go ahead, you too. Mix it a little bit more.
I can't.
You can? All right, I can do it.
So
So how do you guys like being homeschooled by Mrs. Laurino? How's it going?
Good.
Good. What about you? Are you eating already? Okay, here are your knives. Okay, here you
She
go, Jules.
just
There you
eating
go,
by
Ace.
herself.
Okay, but if you're gonna eat this, you gotta take the paper off.
Got the picture.
All right, go ahead.
Mommy, why do I have a knife?
Because you're gonna use that to spread the frosting on. It's okay. We just took the paper off. That's garbage. Give it to mommy. Thank you. No more. Okay, go ahead. Hold the cupcake with one hand and spread the icing on with the other. And then we have some sprinkles for when you're done. And Aiden, you have some Toy Story characters.
I'm gonna start with the tiny one.
Okay, I'm gonna make one too.
Oh my gosh, it's getting all over.
Where's my knife?
Oh. I got some on my finger.
How did it go? Oh, I don't have frosting.
What color are you gonna do?
I think I'm just gonna do regular vanilla. So we made these cupcakes this afternoon. We made vanilla cupcakes.
Yeah.
And now we have vanilla frosting. Okay, so mine's just gonna be vanilla with just plain icing and maybe a little bit of this sugar crystals to make it a little shiny. How's that look? Baba, you want your baba? Okay, 1 minute. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Okay, do you want to add the red and do the next one?
No, I'm gonna do two more and then. Yellow.
Yes. What do you want to add? Yellow?
Yeah.
What color do you think that's gonna make?
I don't
Don't
know.
lick off the knife, Julia.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead, stir it up. Take the knife out, stir it up.
What?
Okay. You ready for your red?
No, actually, I said I wanted one more.
Oh.
Oh wait.
Stir it good, Aiden.
There's
Ooh.
no.
Gonna have to show the camera. It's like a lime green now, right?
Can you?
Yes. Okay. All right. No more licking, mister. No fingers in your mouth. Fingers out of your mouth. Okay, here's your knife. Go ahead. Ooh, show the camera. Nice color, right? So, guys, what has been your favorite thing to do while you're home? Ride out your scooters outside. Stop with the
Riding
knife.
my scooter outside.
Yeah.
What's your favorite one, Joya?
Stop the fingers in your mouth.
Mine was going downstairs and doing gymnastics.
Fun. Okay, go ahead. I put your red in. Now you can take the purple. And And Kira, what do you have to say? Do you say hi? Say hi. Wave.
It's turning into like this cotton candy.
So I've been very busy. I've been teaching nursery school, pre-K, and first grade, and planning for my fourth graders. How's it going? Stir a little bit more. Ooh, it's like lavender.
Mama, I want to do all the colors. I do all the colors.
Show the camera. That came out really nice.
That's like a cotton candy color.
Yeah, I'll bring it closer.
Cool.
Okay.
No, that doesn't look like
All right, so I think that's all we have for tonight. Hope you guys are baking and cooking and getting outside and playing.
I need to do my 2 more.
I don't think everybody needs to see. All right, tell everybody to stay safe, and we'll see everybody soon.
Bye.
Say see you soon.
I said bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.